Ready? Hey guys, it's me, Caitlin.
And Abby.
And today we're doing the challenge with Sprite and, well, mine's almost gone.
Mine's not.
Hers is too. But,
Yeah.
where we drink, we chug it, and then try not to burp.
Yeah.
Which I never burp, she does. Ask her.
I do, yes.
She burps a lot.
Yeah, I'm going to try.
My gas, which instead of burping, it's farting for me.
Me too
Just-
sometimes.
No, yours is always burping, girl. Ready?
Eddie said he go.
10 minutes, and then set the other one up at 2:45. Okay, here we go.
I can't chug it without burping. Well, excuse me. That's how I pass gas.
Okay.
I'm trying to block the mess of the house.
Stop, put my head in the way.
Okay. You lie.
I